Myself, Regina Rai, student of Sikkim Government College, Namchi, bearing roll number 85 of BCom 3rd Sem. So today I am going to do a short presentation on the topic amalgamation of companies. So let's see the amalgamation meaning. In an amalgamation, two or more companies are combined into one by merger or by one taking over the other. Means two different companies merge to form a new company. For example, like Hero MotoCorp Limited is an Indian automobile company and Honda is a Japanese automobile company. After amalgamation, it became Hero Honda Limited. An advantage of amalgamation. Economic of large scale production means if the company is amalgamated, then the production will be at large scale. And the biggest benefits of large scale production is the reduction of cost. And avoiding competition means if any company is giving tough competition in the market, then one big company will take over the one small company, so they can avoid some competition. So now moving on to the another topic, amalgamation of companies are classified into three activities. And in the first cases, here A and B are two different companies and A and B will lose their existence to become a part of new company AB. That is amalgamation. And in the second cases, P is one of the old company and P will lose its existence to become a part of Q. Here, one small company will lose their existence and one big company will absorb. For example, Satyam company is absorbed by the Tech Mahindra. That is called absorption. And in the third cases, ABC is one of the company and ABC will lose its existence and new company is formed with same shareholder but with a different name. For example, once Axis Bank is a UTI bank, now it's become a Axis Bank. That is called external reconstruction. So now there are 2 points of view of the company, that is transferor and transferee. Liquidation proceeding is applicable on the transferor, that is old company, and accounting standard 14 is applicable on the transferee, that is new company. So one is transferor and another is transferee. There are two accounting treatment over here. One is under old company book, that is transferor, and one is under transferee company book, where transferor is being sold to the transferee, so it has to pay something that is called purchase consideration paid to the owner, that is equity shareholder, by the preference shareholder. Purchase consideration, it can be in the form of cash, share, debenture, or in any other equity or in any other security. It doesn't always have to be in cash. So now moving on to the conclusion of the presentation. Conclusion: firm with higher price earning ratio can acquire firm with lower price earning ratio, which will invariably increases market value after merger. Thank you.